A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements High Strangeness Calendar, the Bermuda Triangle Edition, Day 5. Second to last day, guys. Here we go. Let's get into it. Alright, Day 5 right here in the middle on the bottom. Let's pry this one open. This one's opening a lot easier than the other ones. Alright. Ooh. Look at that one. And we get the paper out. Set this aside. Let's show you that label. This one's called The Witchcraft. And that is a funny label. And Tears of Arthur C. Clarke still. Alright, I'm assuming they're all going to be that, but I will check the last one to be sure. Let me pull open the page here and hold it up for you. And let's read it. The Witchcraft. Top notes of neroli and fir balsam. Middle notes of ginger, cardamom, oud wood, and pepper. And base notes of patchouli, sandalwood, and tonka. December 22nd, 1967. The Witchcraft. A 23-foot cabin cruiser idles in calm water just off Miami. The shoreline close enough to feel routine. Close enough to feel safe. The call for help is steady, almost casual. A minor strike, no immediate concern, then a pause. The kind that doesn't belong on an open line. One last mention of something in the water that shouldn't be there. Something's watching from below and above it, a shape that does not move with wind or wave. A cube hanging where nothing should hang. The line goes dead. When help arrives, there is only water. Smooth, undisturbed, as if nothing had ever been there at all. Fun fact. Sailors told of a sea witch who looked human at a distance but changed the closer you got. Something about her was always off. In old European legend, Melusine was described the same way. A woman who was not entirely human, seen near water, and gone once recognized. Hold that up one more time. There we go. All right, so let me set that right there. And let's get a whiff of this. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. So far, Day 3 is my favorite, but this one, let's get a little bit of this splash on the back of my hand. This one might be challenging it. Just a little drop. There we go. Just a hair more. Perfect. Oh. Oh, so this one does not say it is an homage to anything. So this is a in-house fragrance, a new creation. Oh, that smells amazing. All right, guys, I'm going to get the gear together and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Got the soap in my bowl here. And for the brush, I am breaking out the Atomic Rocket. Haven't used this one in quite a while. We're going to do a head shave today. And of course, Old Faithful, I'm going to be using the Cygnus razor. I can't stop using this razor. It's my favorite PAA razor, hands down. And my mustache is a bit out of whack. I should have checked it before I started the video. All right, so let's get this brush wet. And we'll build up, we'll load up the brush. We're going to work the lather on the head. There we go. Some of that water out, just want it moist. And here we go. Just really want to just pick up some soap since I can't in those little tubs. That is perfect. All right, let's get the glasses off and the head wet. Oh! I just about knocked over my brush. I think I have it all over my glasses now. We'll see. All right. It is on my hand, so I'll just do that. All right. Water running all off my head. Beautiful. Get a little more water on this. All right, we're going to be building this lather for a little bit, I think, so I'm just going to speed this up. Enjoy.
A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand. Grown to grand.
All right, we're back, and I think I have quite a lovely lather going. Loaded my brush a little heavy, so I had to spend a little time on it, which perfectly fine. I love doing that. And in return, I have a glorious lather. And let me tell you, man, the fragrance on this is really popping out now. Oh, it is really good. I'm not sure if it's going to overtake day 3, but we'll see once we get to the splash. All right, let's get this shave going. Oh, it's sad there's only one more day left. I have so much fun with these calendars. It's such a blast. And this one, so far, I can already say this one's a banger. They have all been bangers. We'll see what tomorrow brings. But I am anticipating another major win tomorrow. Another reason why I can't stop using the Cygnus razor is the head shaves I've been getting with this razor. For the past, I'm going to go ahead and count today also, 5 days. Well, I've been doing every other day, so that would be 3 days, 1, 3, and 5. Have just been phenomenal. Perfect shaves. And I just want to keep that streak going. All right. So this one is a little softer scented on the soap. I mean, it's there, but compared to everything else so far, to me in the calendar at least, to my nose, and at least how I'm smelling things today, because you know things are different each day. This one's a little bit lighter compared to the rest of them so far. Oh, such a good shave. All right. See where we're at on the front half. Usual spots. So it went a little light right there. Check this side. This side's really good. That is it. All right, to the back. Sorry guys, I'm again lost in the shave and being quiet. So far, let me know down below, those of you that have the calendar, if you're watching this, which ones so far are your favorite. Because I am curious if my nose is similar to other people's on what they like. I know a lot of times it's kind of all over the place in these calendars. But I remember the last Christmas Advent calendar, there was a lot of us were on the same page with their favorites. So I'm just kind of curious how we are on this one. Forgot I was wearing a collared shirt before I started. Where we're at. Super slick. Again, I'm being quiet. I apologize. All right. Just really having a great shave. Wow. All right. I'm going to get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Ooh, yeah. Man, it smells good. Beautiful. All right. Time for the splash. Oh. Oh. That got nice and patchouli sandalwoody on the dry down. All right. Definitely get that neroli and fir at the beginning on the top. A little bit of the pepper. The neroli comes on pretty heavy, which is it's nice. It's very bright. Slowly, that cardamom and oud start appearing. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, the journey on this, it's slow, methodical, and beautiful. Oh, I am loving that. Oh, that is good. I'll have to let you know tomorrow if it overtakes day 3. But this is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. Oh, love it. All right, guys. So that's day 5 of the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. What is it? High Strangeness calendar. The Bermuda Triangle edition. And we got one more day left. So sad to get to the last day. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you tomorrow on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.